Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove a card from Shein. Let's get started. First, open the Shein app and log into your account. Then, if you're making a new purchase, add an item to your cart. Go to your cart and proceed checkout. Choose credit debit card as your payment method. On the card entry screen, uncheck the box that says remember this card. Enter your card details and place the order. If your card is already saved, open the Shein app, tap your profile, then tap settings, then choose my payment options or payment methods. You'll see your saved cards. Tap the delete or trash icon next to the card you want to remove. Confirm deletion. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.